Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with a clean, dry stainless steel pan before any cooking begins today. Place the pan over medium-high heat for 2 minutes to stabilize temperature. Use a 10-inch pan for 2 servings and a 12-inch pan for 4 at home. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and let it shimmer but not smoke first. Test readiness by dropping 1/2 teaspoon of water. It should dance on the surface. Adjust heat so oil barely moves and maintain control to prevent sticking and uneven browning. Pat proteins dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture for better contact before searing. Season with salt and pepper just before placing in the hot pan for flavor. Place the protein away from you and do not crowd the pan to allow browning. Sear without moving for 3 to 5 minutes depending on thickness and desired doneness. Flip once with tongs and finish in oven at 375 degrees F if needed on a preheated rack. Rest cooked food 5 to 7 minutes to redistribute juices before serving, and after searing, remove protein and lower heat before deglazing the pan to preserve fond. Pour 1/4 cup of stock or wine and scrape brown bits with a spatula. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes to reduce and concentrate flavor just slightly. Finish sauce with 1 tablespoon butter or 1 tablespoon cream for richness at the end. Clean by boiling 1 cup water and 1/4 cup vinegar for 2 minutes, then wash. Avoid abrasive cleaners and never leave salt or acidic foods to sit overnight on the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.